Do you feel nervous when speaking English in public? Afraid of making mistakes, forgetting words, or being judged? You're not alone, but here's the good news. Confidence is a skill and you can build it. In today's video, I'll share 5 powerful tips to help you speak English confidently, whether you are in a classroom, meeting, or on a stage. Let's get started. Tip 1. Practice like it's real. Confidence doesn't come from thinking, it comes from doing. Don't just read or memorize, practice. Speaking out loud, standing up, using hand gestures, and even looking into a mirror. Train your brain and body for real situations. The more you stimulate public speaking, the easier it becomes. Tip 2. Start small but speak daily. Confidence grows in small steps. Start by speaking English with a friend, then in front of a small group, and slowly increase your audience. Remember, daily speaking, even 5 minutes, is more powerful than practicing once a week. Tip 3. Use power phrases. Sometimes just a few ready to use lines can boost your confidence instantly. Try these. Let me share my thoughts on that. I would like to add something here. In my opinion, learn and repeat them until they feel natural. They make you sound fluent and confident. Tip number 4. Focus on connection, not perfection. Don't chase perfect grammar or fancy words. Public speaking is about connecting with your audience, not impressing them. Speak clearly, use simple words, and look people in the eye. Even native speakers make mistakes. What matters in your masses? Tip number 5. Control your body, control your mind. Did you know your postures affect your confidence? Stand tall, breathe slowly, smile. When your body shows confidence, your mind follows. This simple trick can instantly reduce fear and help you speak with power. Bonus tip. Record yourself. Recording your voice or video is one of the fastest way to grow. You will hear your mistakes, track your important and slowly fall in love with your voice. You don't need perfect English to speak confidently. You just need the right mindset, real practice and the courage to try. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to WS Spoken for more confidence boosting English lessons. Keep speaking, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and speak boldly. Thank you.